Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to factory reset Windows 11. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and click on the start button, locate and click on settings. Once you selected settings, you want to hang on for the settings page to open. Once it opens, click on system. Now scroll down the system page, just keep scrolling to get to recovery. You should say reset, advanced startup and go back. So click on recovery. Once you selected that, then under recovery options, it should say reset this PC, go back and advanced startup. Go ahead and click on reset PC. Once you click on reset PC, you have two options available here. You can keep all your files. This is going to remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. Remove everything. It's going to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Then select that. Then you say getting this done. You want to make sure you know how you can easily install the Windows back to your PC. So you should say additional settings, remove app and file, do not clean the drive, reinstall Windows from this device. Click on next. Then this is going to get things ready. You want to make sure you understand the basic of this because this is going to literally reset your PC to factory default. So you say ready to reset, remove all personal files and user account on this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs, reinstall Windows from the device. This will take a while and your PC will restart. So if you want to actually reset your PC, just go ahead and click on the reset and make sure you plug your PC to power source so that you have enough power to reset your PC, as this is going to take a few hours. So go ahead and click on reset, and like that, this is going to reset your PC, and that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.